In this episode, we'll be drawing Tuxedo Sam and Badtz Maru. Hi, I'm Miss K.
And I'm Mr. K.
And we are Hello everyone. So today we'll be drawing two characters. So I'll be drawing Tuxedo Sam first. Well, basically Tuxedo Sam starts with an oval shape, so I'm just sketching his body and his right hand, and now I'm sketching part of his hat, and I'm continuing on with the rest of the body. Thank you so much for requesting to draw some penguins. So we are going to draw two penguins for you for Lefty Drummer Ling. Thank you so much for your request. So first penguin would be this Tuxedo Sam. So I've drawn his left leg, and moving on to the other feet. So his feet's made out of like wavy lines at the bottom, and then his sailor hat, which is a curved line, and then like a semicircle at the top. And one line across. And a cute little ribbon in the corner. So moving on to his beak and his eyes. And of course his cute little bow under his beak. And the other flipper going inwards. So he's like doing this dance, sort of. So we chose Tuxedo Sam because he's such a cute character, and getting a request to draw some penguins, we thought that Tuxedo Sam would be one of the choices to draw for this episode. So I'm correcting the lines for the top of the head. Okay, so we're done with the sketch of Tuxedo Sam. Moving on to Badtz Maru, another type of penguin. Badtz Maru is he's more of a angry or bored looking penguin. So we're drawing the top of the head, which is like a four sort of like hair, four pointy shapes, like a triangular shape at the top, and then moving on to his head. You can always make sure that your proportions are right. Always sketch lightly so you can erase it easily to draw your lines over again. Moving on to the bottom part of the body, which is the legs. And then the other hand, like a curved line upwards. And like a semicircle in the middle of the body. And then Badtz Maru's legs, feet at the bottom, which is like a sort of an oval shape. Moving on to his beak. His beak are made out of two parts. The top part is some sort of like a boomerang shape, and the bottom part is like a triangle with a curve at the bottom. For the eyes, I did a guideline of a line across and then a semicircle for his right eye, and make a space in between, and then another semicircle for the left eye. His left eye is slightly bigger than his right. Then a smaller semicircle for the inner part of the eye. You can erase off your guidelines and start with the coloring. In this episode I'm using Sharpie and also copic markers to create solid colors for the penguins. So for Badtz Maru, I'll be using yellow for his beak and feet, and then the rest of the parts I'll just be using black. Okay, thank you guys for watching this episode. We hope you enjoy watching these two penguins. Do send in your requests, subscribe, like, and do comment. Thank you so much again. Bye!